Hi, seniors. I hope you've all had a great weekend. I'm just going to take a few moments to introduce the assignments that we are going to start our week with. So, as you can see here, you've got week 4 journals, which you always do on Friday, and then career chart / Venn diagram. This, guy, as you can see over here, is going to be due on Wednesday. And then you will get a new assignment on Wednesday that will be due Friday, the same day as your journal. So, going to change it up a bit this week. If you did not get a chance to see the scoreboard at the football field on the 17th, this is what it looked like. Just a sweet little thing for the seniors, just because I know we're all upset that you guys aren't getting to finish out your senior year. So just thought it was pretty cool to share with you guys that that's what the IHSA did for you. So take a look back over here under classwork where all your assignments are. Week 4 journals are here. Okay, make sure you're aiming for a 5-minute write when you're journaling, or like 4 to 6 sentences minimum. I have enjoyed reading your journal so far, so please do keep up the good work. Also, guys, make sure you're checking your grades, because if you got a bad grade on the Things Fall Apart test, meaning if you have like a D or F in my class right now, you're probably going to want to do a few assignments in order to get that grade up to at least a D, if not a C. That way you're finishing off senior year with not an F in English. You don't want to do that, okay? Alright, so let's take a look at this assignment really quick. Alright, for this assignment, I want you to explore 2 careers that you are interested in. There are more specific directions on the worksheet, so I'll refer to those in a second. I've made this assignment so that when you click on the Google Doc, it will make a copy for each student. So that way you can type your answers directly on the worksheet. And then make sure you put some effort into this assignment. You will likely need to do some online research for this chart. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. I've got it up here. Alright, so in the left column, right over here, I would like you to explore your first career option. By that, I mean the career that you most want to do. Okay, write down 5 facts that have to do with that career and make the facts pertain to why you are interested in that career. Don't just make it like it seems like fun. Why does it seem like fun? Why is that something you want to do? Okay, in the right column, explore your second career option. Write down 5 facts that have to do with that career and make the facts pertain to why you are interested in that career. Okay? And then in the middle column, write down 3 similarities between the 2 careers that you found. When you are done with the table, write a 4 to 5 sentence description where you discuss which career is your first option and why. Down here is where you can write the description. As always, please email me if you have any questions. I miss all of you guys, and I'm always here over email, Google Hangouts, however you need to reach me. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Keep a lookout for your new assignment that will be out on Wednesday.